folks, another wild adventure with the moose at Spragg Lake. Whoa! Those of you who don't know who Daniel is, he's my older, weaker brother. So I felt like this trip might toughen him up and make him stronger. Alright, so Daniel's leading the way, he's over there, and I'm gonna follow him and we're gonna go on a crazy hike to Spragg Lake. The hike to Spragg Lake is hard, and Daniel wanted to quit so many times. I kept encouraging him and letting him know it'll be worth it in the end. Spragg Lake is a beautiful lake in Rocky Mountain National Park, located on the south end of Glacier Creek. Breathe it in, folks. The lake is named after Abner E. Spragg, who started a homestead in 1874. Alright, we're here at Spragg Lake at the Continental Divide, and we're checking out the mountains over there. You can see a flat top mountain over there at 12,324 feet. We're about to go do it, so watch out. All right, come on. In 1919, there was a hotel called the Spragg Hotel. Guests could pay $6 per room with a private bath and $1 for regular meals. Whoa. Like there's a storm coming, Dana. What do you think?
Yeah, there is a storm coming. It's surrounded by mountains.
Goodness.
Well, we saw a moose, so...
That is pretty cool. Fortunately, I don't have the video of Daniel fighting a bear anymore, but after that, we felt like it was a good time to start our trek back home. Daniel, are you getting stronger out here?
I'm getting way
This is
stronger.
crazy out here, right? This is a crazy hike. This is pretty wild.
I don't feel nothing.
What are you doing? You can tell which way the trout are flowing by touching the river.
right.
Yeah. So up ahead. All right, we're almost there.
Bears are probably catching them right down there.
Bears, oh man. Oh goodness. After Daniel mentioned bears again, I was just afraid around every tree there was gonna be a bear. Ah, there's a bear, there's a bear, there's a bear. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Special thanks to Daniel and his team. Couldn't have done it without you.